Eek, actually forget about this one. That's going to be good for another problem. So, another another lesson. So I just totally erased that. We're going to forget about that one and let's look at our word problem and then this is where we'll end. Okay. So to raise money for new football uniforms, your school sells silkscreen t-shirts. Short sleeve shirts cost the school $8 each and are sold for $11 each. Long sleeve t-shirts cost the school $10 each and are sold for $16 each. The school spends a total of $3,900 on t-shirts and sells them for $5,925. How many of the short sleeve shirts are sold? So let's figure this out. So we have short sleeve and long sleeve shirts. So let's let X equal the number of short sleeve shirts and Y equal the number of long sleeve shirts. And I should have said this at the beginning, but I encourage you to pause the video and just see what you can figure out about this problem before just watching me do it. So I'm looking at this problem and there's the cost and then there's how much we sold them for. So we can make two different equations. One that is the cost, so using the cost of the shirts, where are we? Short sleeve shirts cost the school $8 each. Long sleeve shirts cost the school $10 each. And the school spent $3,900. So it's like it cost $3,900. I'm going to highlight. So short sleeve, ooh, that's big. Short sleeve shirts cost $8 each. Long sleeve shirts cost $10 each. And the school spends $3,900. So we can make equations for that. 3,900 is the total cost, and that's the cost of the short sleeve shirts, $8 for each shirts, and we have X shirts. The long sleeve shirts were $10 each, and we have Y. And so that gives us an equation for based on the cost. And then what we sold them for using the selling price. Oops, we can make another equation. The short sleeve shirts are sold for $11 each. The long sleeve shirts are sold for $16 each, and altogether we sold for $5,925. So 5,925 is we had $11 for each short sleeve shirt and $16 for each long sleeve shirt. And there's our system that we're going to solve. So now let's go ahead and work it out. So equation 1 and equation 2. Now this time I don't have an equation that is in terms like where there's a coefficient of 1. So I'm either going to have to divide by 8 at some point, or 11, or 10, or 16. I know it's going to be really easy to divide by 10. I can get a nice decimal there. I'm actually going to choose this one. I'm going to solve equation 1 for y, because dividing by 10 is easy. So solve equation 1 for y. I get 3,900 equals 8x plus 10y. I'll subtract 8x. So 3,900 minus 8x is 10y. And then when I divide it by 10, well, 3,900 divided by 10 is just 390. And 8 divided by 10 is 8/10. So that's not so bad looking. This is equation 3. Now I'm going to substitute into the other equation, which is in equation 2. So substitute into equation 2, 5,925 equals 11x plus 16y. 5,925. The numbers get big with word problems sometimes, but the process is still the same. And yes, I am going to take a calculator out. What? I have to distribute that 16. So 16 times 390, 6,240. 16 times 0.8 is 12.8x. I'll combine my like terms. 11x minus 12.8x is negative 1.2. Oh my goodness. 1.8x. Then I will subtract 6,240 from both sides. I get negative 315 is negative 1.8x. Divide by negative 1.8. And I get 175 for x. Now let's see what the question was actually asking. How many short sleeve shirts were sold? X is the number of short sleeve shirts. We found X. We've answered the question. There were 175 short sleeve shirts sold. Boom, boom, and that's it. So there you go. There's a lesson in a nutshell. Have fun, and I hope you guys are behaving. All right, I'll see you guys on Thursday. Bye.